The given question is, if the equation of a plane P passing through the intersection of the planes whose equation are given is equal to this equation for some a and b which belong to set of real numbers, then we have to find out the distance of the point 3, 2, -1 from the plane P. In the solution, it is written then P1 plus lambda P2 equal to 0. This holds true for two planes which intersect each other. So we have put the value of P1 and P2 which is equal to the plane which we got by intersection. Now the second equation is written because by comparing the value of x, y and z on LHS and RHS which will be equal. Like for x on LHS the value is 1 plus 3 lambda which is equal to a at RHS. That's how we got this value, and then for y we got this one, for z we got third one, and the last one is for the constant term. By cross multiplying and solving we got minus 27 equal to 27 lambda, which gives lambda equal to -1. Now we found out the equation of plane because we got the value of lambda, so we can put it here to get a, here to get b, and here to get c. So that's how we got the equation of plane. Now we are finding the distance from a point which is 3, 2 and -1. So we are using the distance formula where we are multiplying 3 with a, 2 with b and -1 with c, and d is written as it is, and the denominator contain under root a square plus b square plus c square, which gives the value to be 3 units.